Hello, everybody. I'm Jennifer Bell with Bell Marketing, and I hope that you're all having an amazing week and that you're ready for the weekend. So, I just put together this little quick video just to show you for anyone that's wondering if I'm actually earning, what kind of earnings I'm having, what kind of results I'm getting. So, sometimes I'll get people inquiring, would you like to earn money from home? I already am, and that's really exciting for me because the majority of people only earn $500 during the year, and I've already surpassed that in a little over than 3 months. Considering I had been in the online marketing space for 19 months beforehand and hadn't really earned anything, because I couldn't get past the cold messaging and cold calling, that's pretty exciting for me. So, this is huge. I'm actually earning online. It's not nearly what I'd like to earn, but when you're just starting out, you've got to realize that you've got to get yourself going in the business. Show up every day. You got to be consistent, and then over time your earnings start to build. That's just with any business, so I don't want anyone to think that this is where I'm stopping. I'm totally prepared to keep those earnings building over time as they get higher and higher, and then pretty soon I will be at the income that I really want. I've only been in this opportunity since middle of December. And so it's kind of understandable. I'm still getting used to everything. I'm still trying to learn everything. I'm still trying to implement everything. And so for me to still earn right now, while I'm not totally perfect, that's amazing. So I hope that if you have any questions, you feel okay with commenting below. I'd love to talk with you about how I'm learning networking, branding, and marketing, how I am getting higher engagement over time, which helps me to get seen by more and more people over time. And then also how I'm earning as I'm learning. So like I said, if you have any questions, comment below. And if you happen to find value in this, if it gets you excited about wanting to learn online or jump online to get started earning and learning, then hit the like button and the subscribe button. That way you can see, you could be a part of future videos if you hit that bell notification. So hopefully you like the video, and you can get excited about working online because it's a very exciting experience. You can learn a whole lot, you can grow a whole lot, and get started towards your financial future of your dreams. So I'll see you guys next time.